Appeal. In California, parties involved in juvenile dependency cases have the right to appeal certain court decisions. Here are key points about the appeal process in juvenile dependency cases. 1. Appellate jurisdiction. Appeals in juvenile dependency cases are typically heard by the California Court of Appeal. The appellate court reviews decisions made by the juvenile court to determine if legal errors occurred or if there was an abuse of discretion. 2. Grounds for appeal. Parties may appeal various decisions made by the juvenile court, including orders following adjudicatory and dispositional hearings, rulings on motions, and decisions regarding placement, visitation, or reunification services. Appellate courts generally review questions of law, but may also consider factual findings if they are challenged as unsupported by substantial evidence. 3. Filing the notice of appeal. To initiate the appeal process, the party seeking review must file a notice of appeal with the juvenile court clerk within a specified time frame, usually within 60 days of the entry of the order or judgment being appealed. The notice of appeal must comply with statutory and procedural requirements, including identifying the orders or rulings being appealed. 4. Record on appeal. The appellate court reviews the record of proceedings from the juvenile court, which typically includes transcripts of hearings, court orders, pleadings, exhibits, and other relevant documents. The appellant may designate portions of the record for inclusion in the appellate record, and the respondent may request additional documents or transcripts. 5. Briefing and oral argument. The parties submit written briefs outlining their legal arguments and supporting authority. The appellant's opening brief presents arguments challenging the juvenile court's decision, while the respondent's brief defends the decision. The appellant may file a reply brief, responding to arguments raised in the respondent's brief. In some cases, the appellate court may schedule oral argument to allow attorneys to present their arguments in person. 6. Appellate decision. After reviewing the parties' briefs and the record on appeal, the appellate court issues a written opinion either affirming, reversing, or modifying the juvenile court's decision. The appellate court's decision may clarify legal principles, provide guidance for future cases, or remand the case to the juvenile court for further proceedings. Overall, the appellate process in juvenile dependency cases provides parties with an opportunity to challenge adverse decisions and seek review of legal errors or abuses of discretion by the juvenile court. It serves as a safeguard to ensure that the rights of children and families involved in the dependency system are protected through meaningful appellate review.